chasing the easy life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Apple Watch. Now I have the Apple Watch Series 3. This isn't the cellular version where you can, have your watch and make phone calls and stuff like that. But you can make phone calls if your iPhone is near you. So that's something to think about. I didn't really need the cellular version, so I'm really liking this. But let's go ahead and get started. Alright, as you can tell, the Apple Watch comes with a standard type of band. Mine is the silver version, so it has more of a kind of a light gray band, and I like that one a lot. But I knew I was going to come to a point where I was going to want something a little more customized, so this is the option that I opted for. Alright, so basically to take off the band off the watch, all you have to do is just press the button on the back of the Apple Watch itself, and you're going to see two of these buttons. You just hold it down and then you can slide off each band, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so for my customized bands, I got these from Etsy, and I'm going to leave all the information in the description box where I got them from. But basically I have my initials and also my favorite Bible script on it. So I'm really loving this. It's kind of a distressed type of leather look. It actually is real leather. But yeah, it's got a really distinctive look to it, and I'm really loving it. Oh, and also one more thing is just a disclaimer. I'm really not sure if I put on the bands the correct way. This works for me, and this may work for you too, the way I did it. But I'm not entirely sure if I did it correctly, but hopefully I did. So definitely check out Emporium Marelli off of Etsy. I think you're going to love all their collections of different Apple bands, and I think you'll find probably something you like and something you'll want to customize yourself. Alright guys, so this band came off of Amazon, and it's a nylon band, and it's kind of the knockoff of the Apple Watch band that's really similar to this. It looks almost identical to it, but I don't see the point in spending all that kind of money when you can find it cheap on Amazon. Alright guys, so if you're wondering how I actually kind of stand up my watches so they're just not hanging on the ground, what I'm using at the moment is plastic soldiers. Now they're off of Etsy, but yeah, I'm taking their watch band holder, and all you're doing is just securing the actual base of the charger into the easel, and that's it. So basically it's a plastic easel, and it's very durable, and you wouldn't even think it's plastic to begin with. From far away it kind of looks like it's wood, and it looks very secure, which it is. And I'm really enjoying it. I think it's great, and I think the white color actually kind of matches just about any Apple Watch band. So I'm going to leave all the links down below in the description box of the Apple Watch band holder and all of the other types of bands that I was using in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll talk to you guys later, and thanks for watching. Bye.